welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put parental controls on YouTube TV. For that, you will have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to come in your settings. Now, once you come in your settings, by default, you will be on the membership page. And if you hover over to the left hand section, you won't be able to see the option of parental control. However, you will get this option that would say ratings filter. So you can filter the ratings and it will allow the content based on this rating filters. So if it is on allow all content, you can just simply select the one that you want to set and it will show you all of the programs that are under this section or under this filter. So this filter will make only programs with the following ratings available to watch. These settings only applies to this device. So this setting is device specific. So if you are using YouTube TV on different devices, you will have to follow the same settings there as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.